Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to use the bottle emptier and oxygen not included. This essential building helps manage liquids by consolidating small amounts into a single storage container. It prevents scattered puddles of water, polluted water, or other liquids from accumulating around your base, which can cause mess and slow down your dupes. Understanding its function is key to maintaining a clean and efficient colony, ensuring your liquid resources are always where they need to be. Building the bottle emptier is straightforward, requiring 200 kilograms of refined metal, like copper or iron. Strategic placement is vital. Consider areas where dupes frequently carry or drop liquids, such as near your washrooms, industrial areas, or even a water lock. Ensure the emptier has clear access for your dupes to deposit liquids. Proper placement minimizes travel time and maximizes efficiency, keeping your base tidy and your liquid logistics running smoothly. To deepen your stretches and increase flexibility, blocks are invaluable. In seated forward folds, placing a block or two under your hips can tilt your pelvis forward, making it easier to lengthen your spine and achieve a deeper hamstring stretch without strain. For restorative backbends, a block placed under your sacrum provides gentle support, allowing your chest to open more fully and your body to relax into the pose. This creates a more profound and comfortable experience. To maximize efficiency, consider using multiple bottle emptiers throughout your base, especially in larger colonies or for different liquid types. Always pair it with a liquid reservoir to store the collected liquids, which can hold up to 5,000 kilograms. This setup significantly reduces dupe travel time for liquid cleanup, freeing them for other critical tasks. Ultimately, the bottle emptier is an indispensable tool for maintaining a clean, organized, and resource-efficient colony and oxygen not included.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.